In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush Keyword Strategy Builder. First, you'll need to log into your Semrush account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel. Here, hover your mouse over the magnifying glass icon, which represents the SEO section. When that menu expands, look for the keyword research area and then click on Keyword Strategy Builder. Inside the Keyword Strategy Builder, you'll be asked how you want to start your research. Choose the option to work with a seed keyword. This simply means you'll provide a core term or a few core terms related to your business, product, or topic, and Semrush will build a strategy around them. Type in your seed terms carefully, making sure they're broad enough to cover your main topic, but still relevant to what you actually want to rank for. When you're ready, click Create. After you hit Create, the tool will start pulling in data. This can take a little while, especially if your topic is broad or there's a lot of search data available. Be patient and give it time to finish loading so you can see the full picture. Once the results load, you'll notice that instead of giving you just a long, overwhelming list of keywords, the Keyword Strategy Builder organizes them into semantic clusters. In simple terms, it groups together keywords that are closely related in meaning or intent. This is really helpful when planning content, because you can treat each cluster as a focused topic rather than guessing which individual keywords to target. Within these clusters, the tool also suggests sub-page clusters. Think of these as smaller subtopics that naturally support and link back to your main pillar topic. This helps you structure your website in a logical way, with a strong central page and related supporting pages, which is great for both users and search engines. Another powerful feature is the way it analyzes search intent. Each keyword group is tagged with an intent label, helping you understand what people are actually trying to do when they search. You'll see informational terms, where users are mainly looking for answers, tutorials, or explanations. You'll also see commercial or transactional terms, where users are closer to making a purchase or taking action. This makes it easier to decide whether a cluster is better suited for a blog post, a comparison page, or a product page. On top of that, the Keyword Strategy Builder evaluates ranking difficulty and traffic potential for each cluster. It calculates the total search volume for all keywords within a group, so you can quickly see how much potential traffic that topic could bring. It also assigns a keyword difficulty score, expressed as a percentage, to indicate how competitive that cluster is in search results. A lower score usually means it's easier to rank, while a higher score suggests you'll need stronger content and more authority to compete. By reviewing these clusters, their intent, and their difficulty and volume metrics, you can prioritize which topics to tackle first, align them with your business goals, and build a clear, strategic content plan. And that's it. That's how you use the Semrush Keyword Strategy Builder to turn a simple seed keyword into a structured, data-driven keyword strategy.